Enclave at Tattersall by Keystone Custom Homes is a small community of 33 home sites in a distinctive country setting on the western side of Westchester, Pennsylvania. It offers one of the best school districts in Pennsylvania and easy access to Philadelphia, King of Prussia, and Wilmington, Delaware. Enclave at Tattersall offers 9 different floor plans, ranging from 1,800 square feet all the way to 4,200 square feet. Enclave at Tattersall really offers something for everyone, including the ability to customize your Keystone custom home to suit your tastes and needs. The model we are featuring at Enclave at Tattersall is the Hawthorne Heritage. It is 3,600 square feet and offers a craftsman-style exterior and showcases a wraparound porch. The highlight of the Hawthorne is the grand 2-story family room. This opens to a chef's kitchen, which has premium appliances, and a morning room addition offers the flex space that many home buyers are searching for today. The owner's suite is found on the 2nd floor and features a Venetian bath with split vanities, a large shower cave, and a standalone tub. Home buyers today who are searching for a way to personalize and create a space unique to themselves can't go wrong building with Keystone Custom Homes. Enclave at Tattersall offers a variety of home styles in a beautiful equestrian setting, close to everywhere you want to be.